What is shutter speed in photography? Shutter speed controls how long your camera's shutter stays open, letting light inside the camera and hitting the sensor. It measures in time, usually as fractions of a second, like 1/1000th, 1/250th, or 1/60th of a second, but sometimes in full seconds for long exposures. The faster the shutter, the less time light has to hit the sensor in the camera. The slower the shutter, the more time it has to flow in. That affects both how bright your image is and how much movement is captured in your final photo. So, for a moment, let's imagine a bucket with water, and we're trying to fill it up. Now, a fast shutter speed is like a quick blast from a hose, short, clean, and precise. It freezes action, making it ideal for maybe ziplining, roller coasters, or kids jumping in air. But a slow shutter speed is letting the hose run longer. It lets more light in, but also introduces motion blur if anything is moving or the camera isn't steady. Now, shutter speed also interacts with ISO and aperture, the other two parts of the exposure triangle. Changing one usually means adjusting the others to maintain a proper exposure. If you're using a slower shutter speed to bring in more light, you might need to lower the ISO or close down your aperture. If you're freezing motion with a fast shutter, you'll often need a wider aperture or higher ISO to compensate. Now, in souvenir photography, shutter speed is rarely a setting you manually control, except in controlled environments like an indoor studio or green screen setup. Most on-location souvenir photographies rely on external flashes, which means the shutter speed is typically fixed to the flash sync speed, usually a minimum of 1/60th of a second. It's not about creating motion blur or long exposure, it's about consistency and compatibility with lighting systems. Now, that said, understanding shutter speed still matters. In dynamic environments like a theme park or water park or cruise decks, fast shutter speeds help freeze meaningful moments that matter. Now, in darker venues like theaters, aquariums, or indoor attractions, slower shutter speeds may be needed, but only when flash can't be used or can only be used in a certain way that isn't optimal. Now, knowing your shutter speed and how it works, even if you're not adjusting it manually, helps you diagnose image issues, communicating better with your team, and making smarter decisions in both capture and editing. Now, if you want to keep your photos sharp, clean, and guest ready, click the link in the description to explore more terms in our full photography glossary.